Hello everyone, welcome to part 154 of Laravel 10 series in which we are getting the e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the orders module and in this video we are going to show the product images with the order details at user orders. Okay, so we are working from last few videos on these features and we able to show the order details as well in the last video, and before that we able to show the complete user orders. Okay, so complete list of user orders will come once the user will click on account and will go here in my orders. He can able to see all the orders here, and after that he can click on the details to see the details of the order, and the complete details are coming here. You can see the tracking is also coming along with the shipping and billing address and the total summary. Okay, so now we are going to show the product images as well. Okay, so in this video we're going to show the product images, and for that we're going to start working on this thing straight away. So we're going to add one function in the product model. So I'm going to open the product model here. I'm going to add one function to get the product image, and also we need to see, I'm going to open that product images table. Here is the table, product images table. Here we are storing all the images along with the image sort. So the image that is having the maximum sort number that we are going to pick to display in everywhere as a default. Okay, so here if you will see in admin panel that we are getting all the images, and also we are allowing the user to add the sort number to every image. Okay, I'm going to show you this thing. I'm going to log in into the admin panel. So here we are going to log in and see, sorry, we are going to check. So here if I'm going to edit any of the product, and here you can see every image is having this one, like 1 2 3. So you can specify, like if you want to display this one as default as the top, okay, then you are going to display this one like 3. Now 3, it means that it will come at the top, then this one, then this one, or it will come as the default. Okay, so it's your wish that in which manner you want to display. Either you can display it as a default, then you will use it as ascending. Okay, otherwise you will use it as descending. Okay, so it's your choice. So now here what I'm going to do, I'm going to use it as descending. Okay, so means the id that is having the maximum number we are going to show as a default. Okay, so here I'm going to add this function, public static function get product image. Here we are going to pass this product id. Here first of all we are going to assign empty value to the image. Okay, because the image may come or may not come, because maybe the admin not added any image for the product. So here I'm going to add here $image product image count to check whether there is product image or not from the products image model, and we are going to select the image here. Here it's not required because it's just the count, so we are just going to match the product id just to check that whether the images are there, at least one image is there for the product or not. Okay, so here if $product image count is greater than 0, then we're going to from here get product image here, then once again products image model, and this time we are going to select the image, only image is required. Then once again we are going to match with the product id, and after that we are going to use the order by image sort, and here we are going to use descending first, is enough, I think. Okay, so here now the image is coming, so that's why dollar image equal to dollar get product image, this one. So this one we are going to return the dollar image. So our function is ready. So now we are going to open that order detail bit file that we have created in last video. We are showing the details here. So here we are showing the image, here it is. So here we are going to call that function. So come like this. So here we are going to call that function php. That function is dollar. I'm going to take that same variable, this one, get product image. So get product image equal to, and from product model, and here we are going to pass that product id, or product id underscore id, and php. Okay, so here in this we will get that image, dollar image. Okay, so that we are going to give here. So we are going to add here, we are going to give here a set images product. See, yeah, one more thing we are going to do here, like if there is the image is coming, then we are going to display that. Otherwise, the if condition we are going to add, like if dollar product image is not empty, else. Okay, in else this one will come. Okay, so that we can display the default image. Okay, so that one. So here the image is coming. Now here we are going to display that set in images, under images, front. First front will come, front, then images, then products, after that small. After that we are going to display that dollar get product image, this one. In place of this one we are going to display this one. Okay, and here also a set, we are going to add the correct path and make sure the path must be correct. Okay, so we can check in folder also that where are the images are located, so that it will be more clear. Front, images, then product. So here it is the product, it's not the so okay, so this is something else, this one is the products. Okay, so that is fine, and this one is the dummy product. Okay, so these dummy product images, after that then directly product. Okay, inside product side makers t-shirt, see, so it's fine. So it seems to be fine, path seems to be fine here as well. So we can check once that if it is working fine or not. I'm going to refresh. Okay, so we need to add the product model at the top. So we can also add it like this: php use app models product, and php. So it's fine. Okay, so now you can see the product images are coming here. Okay, so you can see all the products are having some image, so that's why the images are coming. And make sure that it's not destroying. See, its layout is fine. I'm going to check it once, inspect it. I will check in inspect. Here I'm going to do it like this, and we'll inspect the image. Need to make sure that image is displaying correctly. Okay, so see, I'm going to remove this one and just okay, so image size is like this. Okay, so it's fine. So now finally we able to display the images, but I want to place the order that one of the product is not having the image. So that case I want to test. Okay, so I will check the another order as well, that maybe this one is having some product that is no. So I'm going to place one order that one of the image is there and one of the image is not there, so that I can check it once. Like I'm going to add the product without image right now, and I want to add the product with image right now. Okay, see, both with and without. So this one I'm going to add it as well. So here I'm going to add this one, add to cart, view cart, and now this one I'm going to place COD. We have done so far, so I'm going to place it as COD. Will agree to terms and condition, place order. It's done. So now the user will go in account once again in my orders, and this one new one, okay, with having the status new right now. Click on view details and you can see no, the image is not coming, so that's why. So here we need to call one dummy image like this one. So I need to check its path, the path is correct or not. Okay, so let's see uh, images. So see the images, after that product, after that site makers t-shirts dot png. I will just copy and will paste it once again. Still it is I don't think that it will work. Go down. Okay, front is there, so that's why. So front is also there, it's a part of the front. So now I think it must work fine. Okay, I'm going to refresh it, and yes, now it is coming fine. Okay, you can see the image is looking perfect here. Okay, so it depends upon your image as well. Its width and height must be accurate, so that's why. So then it will look fine, otherwise it will not look fine. Okay, so now our order detail page is complete. You can see if there is any pending details to be shown, that you can show it as well. Okay, so in the next video we are going to show the order details in the admin panel. Okay, we are going to show the listing of orders in the admin panel, so that the admin can check the orders, and after that we will display the order details as well along with the status, so that the admin can able to update the order status as well. So please stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.